Hi Melivers, today I'm sharing our first time flying Asiana Airlines from booking, baggage allowance hanggang in-flight experience. We booked ours during the BDO travel fair for only 21,382 pesos, including travel tax. Halos ganito din yung offer nila ngayon. And for a full-service airline, sulit na siya. Free na rin yung 23 kilos na checked baggage and may 10 kilos hand carry plus 1 personal bag din. Hindi rin tinimbang yung hand carry naman both papunta and pabalik, though syempre depende pa rin sa ground staff yon. Our flight was 11:45 p.m. and nag-open yung check-in counter around 8:30 p.m. at Terminal 1. After namin mag-check-in, dumiretso kami sa bags. And I'll also create a separate video kung paano mo ma-avail yung free lounge access mo using your credit card. Konti lang ang passengers so ang luwag ng plane, maraming vacant seats. May in-flight entertainment system so pwede ka manood ng movies or makinig ng music during the flight. Food options were beef with rice, porridge with shrimp, and free na rin yung drinks. They offer soda, juice, coffee, tea, and even alcoholic beverages. May small pillow and blanket provided kaya super comfy, especially for a late night flight. Overall, smooth and comfortable yung experience namin. Sulit siya especially with the baggage allowance, meals, entertainment, and service. So if you're planning to travel this year, check out their anniversary sale while available. Thank you, Malifers.